so what we're going to do is we're going to make a wedge. I got just a random piece of bar stock. And we're going to do half face blows. And with half face blows, it takes minimal amount of effort to get a lot done. You use this monstrous hammer that I'm using for it. What we're going to do is we're going to come in, we'll cut about halfway through, and I'm going to put little traction marks inside the wedge. Make sure we're nice and straight. When you draw out that tip so slightly more, I'll quench it out. I'm going to gingerly break it off. The reason I'm doing that is because I've chased those down too many times.
Throw it again.
Okay, when I drive my wedge, I like to go perpendicular to my wood wedge. And I'll drive it in so it's really tight. And like I was saying, what I'll do is I'll leave that metal wedge sticking up about that far. The reason for that is now as that hammer comes loose, if it does, I can drive it in the rest of the way. That's saving money in the bank. And also, I don't get too excited about these corners. You can grind those down so that they match the hammer really well. The problem with that is that you don't get that mushroom effect on top. So I tend to leave them just like that.